Hey awesome learners, welcome to ImageAI Quick ML Library tutorials. In this part, we are going to explore how to predict images using ImageAI. Okay, for that, let me open my document first. Okay, so for that, we are going to download the models. Okay, so what are the models? ImageAI is basically machine learning is kind of our brain. Okay, so these models are pre-trained brains that are being given by SqueezeNet, ResNet, Inception, DenseNet. These are the models. They are giving us the brain. Okay, that is not a ready-made brain that you can think that like a graduate student like that. So that's brain knows something. You will teach that brain something. That is all about models. Okay, so that is model. So we will take any of the model from here. I have downloaded two of it, SqueezeNet and ResNet. You can download four of it and use all the things, all the models, and check how the model is being performing. Look, this model is having highest MB, ResNet 50. This is being trained with a high data set and with uh, high accuracy. So we will use ResNet for this part. Okay, so we have to first download the model. You have to download model from here, and next we are going to first create a project directory. So let me create a folder that is names ImageAI Smart Tunes. Okay, so inside that folder I am going to create another folder name as models. Fine. Inside models I am going to place my ResNet. Okay, I have placed my ResNet here. Okay, so I will go back to my models and now I will create my Python file. So this is this file I will name as ImagePredict. ImagePredict.py. Remember the extension is .py. Okay, now I will open this in code. So let me open command prompt. Okay, code dot, that will open code on current location. Okay, so I have opened. Okay, my Visual Studio Code is being opened. So let's start coding. Okay, first we are going to import all the packages, all the libraries we need. Okay, so let me first import all the things from. Okay, these two dependencies, these two libraries we are going to use. The next point we are going to get the current. Okay, we have to get the current working directory. We are going to use that as execution path. Okay, get cwd is a method that will give you current working directory. Okay, next we are going to initialize the model. For that I am not going to write the code. It will be time saving if I will copy and make you understand all the codes. Control C. Okay, let me paste the code. Okay, in this line we are instantiating the predictions and we are instantiating a object of image prediction class. Okay, so next we are giving the image prediction class as the model type. We are giving the type of model as ResNet. Okay, in the third line, this line we are passing the real model file to our object. Okay, this is the real model file. Okay, that is being stored inside model slash resnet something. Okay, this is the model file. Okay, then we are loading the load model, that will be loading the model. Okay, next what we are going to do, next we are going to predict the model. Let me copy the code. Okay, paste. Okay, so in this line what we are doing, we have the model, we have the prediction instance, so we are calling the predict image method and passing the parameter as the image name. Okay, and the result count equals to 5. What is result count? Result count means it will maximum detect 5 objects. Okay, 5 results, it will maximum takes 5 results. Okay, so now inside prediction and probabilities, all the prediction and probability are being stored. So let us print. So for printing, copy these lines. Okay, so what we are doing here, sorry, on indented. Okay, indentation clear. So we are looping through all the predictions and probabilities. Look, these are the prediction and probabilities, so we are looping through all prediction and probabilities and giving the printing the output. Okay, so the point is 2.jpg is not present. I have written 2.jpg. So let me first copy a image from Google. Let me search cycle image. I will just take a cycle image now. Okay, save image as 2.jpg something.jpg, and I will copy the file, copy, and I will paste it inside my project folder. Okay, paste. The name is image.jpg. Okay, now I'll go to my, that's here, image.jpg. Okay, we have done coding. Let me overview another time. Here we have imported all the packages. Then we have get the current working directory, because we are using current working directory here and here. Then we have instantiated the model with passing the model file. Okay, we have model file. Okay, then we have passed the image to predict image method, that will give us the prediction and probabilities. And finally we have looped through prediction and probabilities and print all the files. Okay, let me save it and let me run it so that we can see the output. Okay, this is my project directory. I am working command prompt from here and running the code python image predict.py. Fine, let it to be compiled. Cannot import name image prediction. Why is that so? Okay, here is my error. Okay, I have mistyped it. Control B, save it, and then run it. Fine. Okay, the model is loading. Okay, you can see this is showing mountain bike and bicycle and all the probabilities. Okay, so we have done our first work. This is so clear. And in the consecutive we will detect, we will draw bounding boxes and many more. For today's session I think you have enjoyed, because we have just stepped up to machine learning, and this is the first part. We have predicted which type of image this is. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.